Yo traders, what is good? So if you're new, then welcome to the channel. If you've subbed up, welcome back. I salute every single one of you, and you know it's nothing but love for all of you. So let me get this intro out of the way real quick. London markets, pre-London markets, breakouts during the London session, fire, absolutely killing it. Alright, it's been a flawless week. I'm on a winning streak, so is the community. Alright, so if you want to be dominating them London markets while the New York markets are moving like shit, then head over to the premium Discord right now. The link is in the description. It's $50 per month or $300 for lifetime access. London market's been on fire. New York market's been moving like shit. Hence the reason I've stopped splitting my screens during New York session and just locking in on the one pair. Because I know that even in bad market conditions, if you systematically stick to a system, a strategy, a proven strategy that works, like the breakout strategy, then over time it's going to look after you. And I proved that by backtesting it the other day on the 5-minute time frame. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. I backtested it for like an hour. NASDAQ on the 5-minute time frame, and overall, even in August when we thought the markets was shit, it came out with like a 70% win rate or whatever, right? So stick to one pair while the markets are moving like shit. Don't be splitting the screens and trying to get in both like I used to. I'm not doing that no more until the markets are better. But anyway, enough said. If you want to kill the London sessions with me, watch this video, lock in, premium Discord, get in now. Otherwise, join the free Discord. It's still fire in there anyway. But anyway, let me show you why you should be locked in with me during London session. Let's go. 25 pip. It's usually my thing with German 40. Let's take a look at gold. All right, we know what's going on with gold. Get a breakout to the upside, get a breakout to the downside. Keep it simple. We got this rejection wick right there. I'm pretty sure though that's an actual area of rejection. Yeah, so this overall area there likes to reject. Won't be surprised if it rejects again. So just keep that in mind. 5 EMA. So just something going on. At least there's something going on, right? Sells, I do actually want to see a nice break and a retest because it's way too much pushes up from that area just for my liking. I think we're going to get into that area though. So I suppose, a breakdown into that area would be fine. So this is what I was talking about last night on the backtesting video. There's the proof that I wouldn't just get in on any old bullshit. Well, they're slowly starting to both break. I feel like I'm going to take a gold sell though. If it starts pushing down, I'm taking gold sells into this zone. Yeah, I'm going to take a sell. I'm not going to double tap though. Chilling for a minute. Bit more of a push and I will get in with another position. But yeah, I want to see gold enter that zone. Come on then, gold, baby. It's only 8 minutes in. So we're chilling. Still in sales cult. Nah, man. It's all good. So remember what I said, yeah? We're at an area which I expect price to react from and then we can go for buys. But right now, I'm just that type of person that will say, well, if I think we're going to head to that area to sweep liquidity or, react from a zone, I'm going to get in for the ride, you know what I mean? And then I'll just manage my trade if I can. But yeah, if I think we're going to come and sweep these lows out, because look at this as an actual area cult. Look at this place. Price clearly wants to go there. I don't care why, I don't care how, I just want to get in with it and go there. I'm closing my gold trade, the one of them. I'm just holding a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Fuck it, I'm closing. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick. That's pretty much TP done. Yeah. There we go. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Pre-London, that's what we're talking about. And all from the simple, basic idea of we just traded into a danger zone, my friends. We just traded into a fucking danger zone. This is what we do. So, the normal average trader would say, we wait to get to this zone because it's a place where price shoots up from and then we buy. But no, we head straight into the darkness like the warriors we are, yeah? Yo, gold's getting the break and the retest, so we can carry on down. That's very nice from gold, but let's just talk about it. Let's talk about it before you get in for buys. Liquidity. So it could just be grabbing that before dropping. But at the same time, if you decide to get in on a breakout now to the upside, please manage that trade quickly. Yeah, because you're going against everything, like the whole bias and everything. And I'm not a very biased person, but trade smart, you know what I mean? Everything's telling me to sell. So, you know, I've seen this shit happen before. Boom, it goes up, it comes down, back inside. If you're going to buy, just be ready to close because it's overall bearish as fuck. Depending on how you look at it though. Daily, of course, we're super bullish. The structure's just too clean. Even though this has just been, this there, broke this. Just grabbing some liquidity, grabbing some fuel. That's what I believe. But also, if shit starts breaking and retesting now, and doing this, then by all means, target the tops. But right now, gold's looking sexy for sells. Don't let it scare you too quick though, it might just be a sweep. But that shit's pushing hard. This is why you gotta wait for the session open though. I still think gold's gonna drop though. Look at it. This is what it does. It scares people out. It fucks people up. Liquidity sweep. Yeah, protect your money. If you took a W in pre-London, do not trade the London breaks. This is for the people who didn't show up to the pre-London. There's gold now about to sell. See that wick? The way it rejected the EMA and stuff. It just scared people basically. So you gotta wait. It's one of those things. Yeah, man. I'm still looking for sells on gold. I mean, I'm not, but I would be. DAX is doing nothing at all. There's gold dropping like a butte. Boom, gold. Gold doing the business now. See, now you should be at break even with gold. I told you, man. What the fuck did I say? I said this shit. Watch back on the replays. I said liquidity sweep and a drop. I would not be looking for buys on gold. The only thing is people probably went in too heavy and couldn't take the heat, or like, you know, it's a 1 minute time frame. It's gonna look sketchy. But yeah, perfect. Gold's been moving beautiful. My favorite London pair by far. I remember saying this as well to people before. It was having a bad time and everyone just wrote gold off, and I was like, yo, it's coming back. Gold's coming back. Because gold is the pair I've been trading for like 4 years. I would personally close my trades as soon as this wick gets taken. So I'd be out of this trade now, just saying. But you lot can do what you want. But I'm just saying that this is where I'd be out. What a fucking beautiful trade though. See why I'd be out? Nice. Clean trend line on gold. Gold on the right. Draw some zones up now. Support and resistance zones. Someone was speaking to me yesterday on a coaching call and asking me about these zones. And was saying, you know, like, why do you draw so many instead of just like the one or two, you know, like the main ones, like the range ones. I like to see to the left of me that an area is being reacted from quite a lot. Because if you do the back testing on any pair, yeah, you're going to see, obviously, it's just support and resistance. You know what I mean? It's just zones. Levels are different. My breakout levels are these lines. These are what I actually want to see for me to step into a trade, right? Like, as soon as they break, I step into my trades. You know what I mean? These are the entries then. If there was an entry like buy or sell, it'd be these. But you don't have to use them. But for me, they make me comfortable. I can't trade without knowing all these multiple zones there. Because now I'm like, right, if we break, even because you can put the indicator on. Yeah, it's going to show you all these levels too. And I do like the 4-hour levels when they line up for like targets. But I just like to know my areas where we're going. Do you know what I mean? So when we do see some price action in a minute, just watch where it goes, what it does, and how it reacts. And obviously targets are always going to be, you know, the spikes. Where liquidity is, you know, lows, highs. So this is just how I trade. But if these things put you off a little bit, don't look at these like because I think the question was how you put in your boxes, like support and resistance, and your breakout lines. Are you waiting for both of them to be broken? So like the line and this box, and I'm like, nah, not at all. I'm just knowing what this is and why we're there. It's just support and resistance. Hopefully you lot understand that. NASDAQ, let's go. 5 minute time frame. I brought down the 1 minute time frame. Let's go. For fuck's sake, yo, my mouse. You can't be doing this to me now. You're crazy. So look, support, resistance, zones, levels, anywhere. I might even make these boxes even fainter, just so people don't get it twisted. I like to look at them like, literally, this sounds like some baby bullshit, but genuine baby, like blocks, steps, building blocks. Do you know what I mean? Like if we're in an uptrend or a downtrend, I want to see these steps being stepped on. So it's like, if we break to the upside now and it pulls back, this shit will keep me in the trade for buys, because it's like, I think it's going to come down, step on these steps. Like, that's what support and resistance literally are. Yeah? So hopefully you get that. And we're obviously in a range right now, which is a good thing for us as well on the 1 minute time frame, because we're going to break out of it at some point, and we're at pre-London breaks. Oh shit, there goes gold. I'm going to wait gold out, yeah? Even if I gotta like go to the 1 minute and wait for the pullbacks and shit, I'll wait gold out for a sec with 18 seconds left. If I seen it, I would have got in. I didn't see it though. But we're starting to get some volume now. So on the 1 minute time frame, you get away with using 10 pip stop losses with NASDAQ, because when the volume kicks in, we know 10 pips is nothing really, you know what I mean? And then if we can target like 20, get them 1 to 2s in, then good stuff. Gold, shit, we got 4 minutes left. I feel like I need to do this for some reason with gold. I see me trading it on the 1 minute, so let's get up some levels. Let's look where we're going. Genuinely trying to scalp gold like a proper little scalper today. I'm not trying to hold shit. Okay, 1 minute time framers. Boom, boom, boom. We get the sniper entries. We get in, we get out. Right, everything was looking a bit too mad for me then. Alright, so obviously I'm feeling sells more than I am buys for gold. 100%. Proper scalping this shit this morning. So give me a little boost of energy, gold, and I'm gonna get in and out. These pre-breaks have been nice. 5 minute time frame got a lovely bearish trend line, so I don't mind continuing this down at all. But I just felt like I had to go to the 1 minute to mark it up. I was just feeling it more for some reason. Gold's breaking to the downside. I'm going to sell gold. I'm going to manage it really quickly though, because I know that it's due a pullback. I would like to see maybe this trend line tested and shit like that, but I'm in for sells on gold. I've doubled down now. I'll close this shit quick though if I have to. I'm closing my 1 gold trade. I'm out of my 1 gold trade. I'm just going to close my gold trades, both of them. But yeah, TP smash for gold. Flawless week with the London session so far. I ain't taken a hit yet on the London pre-breaks. Yeah, these London pre-breaks was a fucking good idea, man. Just looking at NASDAQ to hit that full TP I am on gold, and then I can jump off. Here's NASDAQ. TP smashed. You can get out of NASDAQ now. But everybody good, yeah? Is everybody good? Type 1 if everybody's good. Yes. Alright. Let's take a little look. Get shit going. Yes, BLT. Alright. So, NASDAQ on the left. US 30 on... gold on the right. Shit, that's a habit. Whoa. See how much of a habit that is? Fuck, you know. Yes, man, was good. Alright, clearly bearish for NASDAQ. Got a nice little support zone there. Clearly, that's a nice support zone there. Got a nice little area there. Right there. We got some shit going on there. And we got some stuff going on there too. So yeah. 5 minute time frame. Pretty clean. Alright, we'll stick to the 5 minute for NASDAQ. What's gold saying? What are you saying, gold? Lovely little area up there. There. 5 minute time frame. All this shit is super valid, right? Just looking for those fuck. Gold, don't do it. Don't do it, gold. Gold's overall bullish and breaking to the upside right now as well. Being a cheeky one. Don't do it, gold. Not yet. Yeah, at least you're pulling back. That's what I want to see. I wasn't ready for you, gold. I wasn't ready. Alright? Changed my mind with NASDAQ. I don't like them. They're too much. 1 minute's been working out perfect. Alright? So we're sticking to what works. Why I drew that white line there? Get away. Get away from there. We got I'm sticking to the 1 minute time frame, yeah? Just because it's been treating us so nicely. Been getting in, we've been getting out. Overall direction though does count. So we can say we're bearish. We're heading towards this bottom there. So let's just anticipate breaks to the downside for a minute. But we'll go with it though. We'll go with it. We'll roll with the punches, right? Damn it, gold, man. You're testing my patience. Where you going? What is your overall bias? Bullish. Breaks to the upside doesn't look too bad. Okay? Looks decent. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Alright. A little bit of a range. We like it. Doesn't matter. Goes in our favor actually, if anything, for a break. We're going to get a nice little breakout line there. We're going to get a nice little breakout line up there. Cool. I'm still going to put that trend line back on, because it is a tasty little trend line. We broke it a little bit. Doesn't matter. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Cool. We can rock with that. We can rock with that. Alright, slap on the indicator and let's see. Nothing. Full TPs. Get a ruler out. Mark up our 1-to-1s. There we go. Bow. 1-to-1s. Perfect. I can hear you, bro. Muted. I was so locked in. I was just dialed in, yeah? Holy shit. Oh yeah, I'm selling gold. Alright, I can take a chill pill now. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. I'm set up to go. All I gotta do is manage this trade. So I didn't double tap gold. I just went in with one this time. Kind of glad for a minute as well, because it looks like it's about to come up and test this trend line. You know, whatever to it. But I don't regret my decision just because of this push through. Even though it's not 7 o'clock yet, I might regret my decision in a minute when the volume kicks in if it goes against me. But otherwise, if I've got in early, then we're good. Alright, we ain't got no major news. We're good. Should have checked that first. My bad. Give us a nice bearish engulfing candle. Come on, gold. Nice bearish engulfer. Give me some reasons to stay in this trade. That's a nice reason, gold. That's a decent reason so far. A little bit more. Come on now. I know you wanna let me end my week profitable on a winning streak with these pre-Londons. Come on. Pre-London winning streak. Let's go. Come on now, gold. A little bit of slow volume. It's still, though, overall doing more I wanted to do, but just really, really slowly. A little surge in volume is what we need to the downside. Tested the EMA, check. Tested the trend line, check. And dropped, check. So I'm doing the right thing by holding it. But it's the volume I'm not loving. It's okay, it's pre-Londons. They've been really good to us this week, we gotta remember that. Slower than usual tonight. Yeah, it's slow. It's a little bit slow, but I got belief. I got faith in gold. Even no, faith has nothing to do with the markets. But everything's telling me, you know, I've tested the EMA, I've tested the trend line, and I'm dropping. What else do you want from me, fat boy? Relax. Highway to the danger zone. I'm gonna take you right into the danger zone. Yeah, I'm loving it. Let's go. I'm closing my one position. Yeah, I knew gold would do it. I'm closing my other position. I just closed my both positions. I don't even care. I'm a bag up again. Let's fucking go. These pre-London videos that are coming out tonight, they're gonna be mwah, mwah, nice.